Hello Kurumjari and welcome to Sktv'S News. You are watching Afternoon English News with me, Jessie Thiam. Now as usual, giving you the headlines first. 3 injured Kuki individuals shifted from Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal to Jurajantpur amid protest by public. Manipur police burn over 39 kg of seized narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances at Caesar Common Biomedical Waste Treatment Facility at Lamdeng in Imphal West. And Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West remands 3 accused, including women, to 15 days judicial custody in 4 crore rupees heroin seizure case after customs operation at North AOC. Now giving you the news in detail. 3 injured Kuki individuals have been shifted from Regional Institute of Medical Sciences in Imphal to Jurajantpur amid protests by Naga and Meitei communities. At around 12:15 a.m., the injured youths were moved out of the hospital amid elaborate security arrangements to ensure their safety. Ambulances carrying the 3 were escorted by security forces and were seen traveling towards the road leading to the Jurajantpur district. Earlier, Ansam's Secretary of Assembly Affairs, TP Dining, and few members met with Director of RIMS on Tuesday, and the latter reportedly assured to shift the patients by 2:30 a.m. today. However, at around 9 p.m. last night, protests continued near the premises of RIMS Hospital, and security forces also fired few rounds of tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. The 3 Kuki men sustained injuries during gunfire incident near Leilon Vaifai and Konsakul on June 15. They were brought to RIMS by Indian Army for treatment. However, protests broke out against their admission at RIMS Hospital as Ansam and Naga communities accused the injured persons as Kuki militants. Manipur police has disposed of approximately 39.395 kilograms of seized narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances at the Caesar Common Biomedical Waste Treatment Facility in Lamdeng, Imphal West today. The destruction of the seized contraband was carried out through an incineration process under the supervision of the Manipur Police Department as part of its pre- and post-trial drug disposal program. Speaking on a sideline, IGP Manipur Police Ningshan Rongram said the program marked a significant step in the collective effort to combat drug abuse and illicit trafficking, which continue to affect communities and livelihoods. He stated that the disposal exercise reflected the commitment of Manipur Police towards eliminating illegal drugs from society and strengthening the broader vision of a drug-free state. According to details shared during the program, the narcotics destroyed included 4.444 kilograms of heroin powder, 5.353 kilograms of brown sugar, 0.422 kilograms of WY tablets, 2.668 kilograms of SP capsules, and 26.508 kilograms of ganja. Speaking further, IGP Ningshan Rongam maintained that the seized substances were the results of sustained vigilance, coordinated operations, and dedicated efforts by district police units, the Narcotics, and affairs of border and other security agencies. While stressing on significance of the exercise, IGP Ningshan Rongam maintained that such initiatives represent both a legal obligation and a social responsibility aimed at protecting future generations from the harmful effects of narcotics. He also called on public for cooperation and to reaffirm their commitment towards ensuring drug-free Manipur. DIGN Hirojit, DIGM Pradeep, Imphal West SP Shivakanta, and SP of NAB W Bashu were also present during the program.
This symbolizes our united stance against illegal substances. We chose this state-of-art biomedical waste treatment facility to dispose of the drug. so that this drug disposal is conducted in a safe and environmentally responsible and transparent manner. And as we all gather here, I also want to use this occasion to reaffirm our dedication to the vision of a drug-free Manipur.
Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West has remanded 3 persons, including a woman, to 15 days of judicial custody in connection with an alleged drug trafficking case. The accused, identified as Lasham Bhumeshwar, Hema Pradhan and Wairokpam Jiten, were arrested by customs officials on North AOC Road following specific intelligence inputs about the movement of narcotic substances. Officials said the suspects were allegedly planning to deliver a consignment of drugs near the NST compound area in Imphal West. They were intercepted during a coordinated operation carried out with independent witnesses present. The group was then taken to the customs office at Sangakpam for further examination. During the search, officials claimed to have recovered about 2.016 kg of brown substance suspected to be heroin from a bag marked Silver Shine. The seized material was valued around 4 crore rupees and reportedly tested positive in a field test. The accused were medically examined and produced before the court for further proceedings. Meanwhile, City Police Station in Imphal West has sought 3-day police custody remand of an accused person in connection with a violent attack on traffic police personnel. According to the remand application submitted before the Chief Judicial Magistrate in Imphal West, the incident occurred on 16 June around 10:45 a.m. near Palna Bazaar, close to Mahabir Pharmacy, where a traffic police officer on duty was allegedly attacked from behind with a folding knife, causing injuries to his head and neck. Police stated that the case was registered under the relevant provisions of the Bharatiya Nya Sanhita, and during investigation, eyewitnesses reported the sequence of events and several exhibits, including a blood-stained knife and police-related items, were recovered from the vicinity. The accused was later detained and allegedly admitted involvement during interrogation. The police have requested custody till 19 June to further interrogate the accused, determine the motive and investigate possible external influence behind the attack. All Manipur Medical Students Association AMSA RIMS has strongly condemned use of tear gas within and around hospital premises. In a statement issued, the association said hospitals are places of healing and care where patients, attendants, healthcare workers and students deserve safe and secure environment. It warned that tear gas shelling near healthcare facilities poses serious risks to vulnerable patients, including children, the elderly, pregnant women, and those suffering from critical illnesses. AMSA also raised concern over the presence of heavily armed security personnel and security operations inside healthcare settings. The association stated that such actions create fear among patients and healthcare workers and disrupt normal hospital services. It added that the academic and clinical environment essential for medical education is also adversely affected. AMSA appealed to authorities concerned to restore peaceful atmosphere conducive to patient care, medical education and public welfare within hospital premises. Nearly 1,000 people gathered at traffic point last evening at Senapati district headquarters despite heavy rainfall for a candlelight vigil. The event was held in memory of 6 Naga civilians who were reportedly killed. The Candlelight Vigil was organized by frontal organizations including Naga People's Organization (NPO), Senapati District Students Association (SDSA), and Senapati District Women Association (SDWA), along with participation from civil society groups, student bodies, and women's organizations. Speakers at the vigil called for unity and justice for the victims. SDSA leaders urged people to preserve the memory of the deceased and remain committed to peaceful pursuit of justice. NPO leadership condemned the killings, describing them as unacceptable and urged unity among the people rather than division. Several other organizations, including youth and tribal bodies, also delivered solidarity messages. The program ended with a ceremonial salute by the village guard, candlelighting, and a moment of silence. Kuki in Manipur, KIM, has strongly condemned the actions of Central Security Forces at Laylon Baifai and nearby villages. In a press statement issued, KIM alleged that security personnel imposed military-style lockdown, carried out house-to-house searches and intimidated villages, including women, children, students, and the elderly. The organization said the actions came just a day after an attack allegedly carried out by NSC and IM, in which 3 Kuki Zoo students were critically injured. KIM stated that the villages were victims of armed violence and should not be treated as suspects. It questioned why security operations were focused on affected Kuki Zoo areas, while armed groups were allegedly operating elsewhere without action. The organization urged the government of India to stop harassment of civilians, ensure justice for injured students, and take action against those responsible for the attack. KIM also called for equal protection under the law and warned against selective and biased security measures. Moirang ACMLA Thongam Shanti laid foundation stone for a new community hall at Candlelight, situated at the boundary of Moirang Municipal Council's Ward number 9 and 12. Funded under the MLA Local Area Development Fund, the foundation laying ceremony was attended by local elders and residents of Candlelight. During the event, the local community expressed their deep satisfaction and gratitude toward MLA Thongam Shanti for spearheading various developmental projects across the constituency. Highlighting the pressing need for the facility, the attending residents also urged the authorities to expedite the construction work to alleviate the logistical grievances currently faced by the locality. Infinite Intuitions Energy Institutions Private Limited organized a day-long assisted healing session at Classic Hotel in North AOC today. During the program, which was attended by survivors of breast cancer, leukemia, throat cancer, Director of Infinite Intuitions Energy Institutions Private Limited, Acharya Lilu Haubijam, spoke on the topic, Positive Thinking Brings Peace and Hope to Cancer Patients, while highlighting the importance of family support during healing process, healthy diet, adherence to daily schedule, follow doctor's advice, and to have a gratitude mindset throughout the process.
Spiritual energies है serious positive thinking, positive energy energy clutter free environment ama thamsi yari bi makhai anaba leiba mahaki yum hingol haitare na mapam chana thamna haibada vastu align tausi mapan lamgi Sastra gi oibro khoi isagi maitai leba ki tonga lego sima punjan gumsi ko khoi maitai leba ki mong na amal leire mapan gi mana mong leire khoi na enforce tabudo si pusalaka dawni ane khoi hi leijari ba mayam si porakadone haibaji tawumsi isa na approach toragadi si le hayagadi khoi na suggestion pi bai yai ko.
Well, now we shall take a short break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Sktv'S News.
Manipur University of Culture Palace Compound की Academic Session English Singani Kungetari की National Education Policy 2020 की मखादा 4th Year BA Degree Program की Online Application Form हाबा होसेली पिजरिबो course इंदी BA in Dance, BA in Music, Manipuri Folk and Traditional Music, Hindustani Music, BA in Thangta, BA in Theatre, BA in Sankirtana, BA in Umanglai Harauba, BA in Tribal Studies, BA in Visual Arts. Hairiba coursing asigi form thajimbagi matam June gi tang tara dagi kunni tare fawba oizagini. Akupa marol gi damak ekagi website www.muc.ac.in da changlaga khandiba yadani.
Lalabati sumthokpa mosalabati nalanba mipum khudimaki haungasan. Aihak Jenny Kurai ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯚꯣꯇꯔ ꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯝꯅꯕ eligible oiba voters singdamak yauhannaba ECI-na Special Intensive Revision haibadi SIR 2026 haure May gi tarik 30 June gi tarik 19 phawbada BLO yumthong khutingi lakani makhoina piramba enumeration form mention biraga BLO da sinabiyu enumeration form submit tawidrabadi voter list da ming yaurok loy akupa marol gidamak BLO da hangbiyu natraga 1950 da call tawbiyu I am in RU
Shuti nataba numit singde specialist amagi manakta chatpa matam sangdabara Haujikti Babina Hospital na tabak tauba lalolitik tauba madi tabak sinba miyoi singidamak special weekend Sunday OPD clinic hangdok seri
Nomaijing khudingi adongi khudong chagadaba matam yengbiraga ayuki pung mapaldagi nungtilgi pung mari faubagi manungda medicine ENT cardiology urology gastroenterology PMR surgery chest medicine amadi pediatrics ki experience leiraba specialist sing tanabiyo
subsidized tauba specialist consultation fee khangatlaba ahanba investigation amadi procedure da chada taragi discount priority registration fast track appointment amadi mapam amatta da tongan ba analayengi kudong jaba singi kanaba lobiyo
adongi achinba matamda ayet papidana adongi hakchang fana thambiyo Babina Hospital gi special weekend Sunday OPD clinic ta linksin bidao
appointment lognaba kidamak amadi ahin buwapam singi damak 69093 90666 ta call tawbirao
mating leiba layeng fanghanjariba Babina Hospital hanadagi hena khudong chaba pizari
Welcome back. You're watching Sktv'S Afternoon English News. Now moving on. Science Teacher Forum Manipur STFM organized a talk series at Jurajan Higher Secondary School today. The event was held under the theme Impartment of Scientific Temper to the Students for Viksit Bharat 2047. Principal of CC Higher Secondary School and State Teacher Awardee K.H. Mimtombi, President of STFM N.G. Keshro and former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University Professor H. Nandakumar Sharma attended the event. Professor H. Nandakumar Sharma spoke in detail on a topic from Newton to Einstein and after. Meanwhile, Dr. C.H. Indira delivered a presentation on hands-on science. The technical sessions were followed by an interactive segment with the students. Speaking on the occasion, STFM General Secretary K.S.H. Sanahal stated that the forum has been organizing this talk series across various topics. He also highlighted that the main objective of the program is to equip students with scientific approach to help them systematically solve practical challenges they encounter in daily life.
Extension talk kunmuk bangkok bagi pandang sudah samaga siksada ada the Department of Science and Technology government Manipur sponsor to be na koi requisition to japani ado buji pauda madu ki positive response phangdabana maram moina ai koi sei mapam chinbada more than 10,000 changapa aduna koi ngasi tawraga July kada another talk ama koi thawal district ki waiko manager ko tawraga sponsorship phangdragadi koi mari subada koi talk solution je ki plan tawgiri
Jan Kalyan Shivir, organized by District Administration Jirbam, has begun at the DC office complex today. The camp, being held under an initiative of Government of Manipur, will continue till June 20. Residents are being provided on-the-spot registration and application support for welfare schemes such as Annapurna Yojana, Ayushman Bharat, PM Vishwakarma Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Aadhaar enrollment and updation services along with assistance for opening zero balance bank accounts are also being offered. The camp included participation of 10 departments under one roof to provide public services, document assistance and grievance redressal. Addressing the gathering, DC of Jiribam Vindhanglam said the Jan Kalyan Shivir is part of nationwide initiative with an aim to connect eligible beneficiaries with welfare schemes of the central and state governments. He said the program seeks to improve access to government services and ensure efficient delivery of benefits to the people.
Bamgi, Liberiba Praza Singha, Magi application labor, pending labor, Rakari, Maikaidi, Laiba scheme Singseco, Pudamoina, Kogi, Banki manager, Natraka Bank, now authorized over representative, Mihud Yauri, Makoidegi, loan, Kamaina Tanagani, Natraga, Kogi Sarkari, Maikaidi, Pidiba, Kogi startup Manipur Boiro. The Chief Minister Entrepreneurship Support Scheme Boiro, PM Swanee District Loan Oiro, Missing Tara Pibagi Loan, Kumbal Pibase. He combined Taroga, Logo the Gay, Karamba documents, Pisilaga Pangani, Mamanga Pangidishna Kari Maramgino Haibu, Kupna, Praza Singa, official Singa, Hatingana, Sak Mai Unaraga, Wari Wataito, Tanzania, Penanga Sishinjaribasi.
District Rural Development Agency of Imphal is under the state-level nodal agency SLNA Watershed Management Division observed World Day to combat desertification and drought at Nungoi. SLNA Manipur CEO R.K. Sunita, Administrative Officer Vaskar Mutum and Nungoi Village Committee General Secretary Laisham Nabachandra attended the event as presidium members. As part of the program, attendees planted around 50 tree saplings around Nungoi Litan Makong area. Foundation stones were also laid for several new projects, including a Gaboin structure. Speaking at the event, R.K. Sunita highlighted that desertification happens due to lack of water, which ruins soil fertility and harms society. She urged everyone to save every drop of water and stop wasting this vital resource. Quantum University Jharkhand hosted a career counseling session for students at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. Speaking at the event, the university's Students Welfare Northeast in charge, Tongbram Derek, stated that experts provided detailed insights into career planning during the session. He continued that the topics varied from selecting suitable subjects and identifying high-demand job opportunities to choosing concurrent alternative courses. He also announced a 30% concession for Northeast students, along with an instant 5,000 rupee discount for those who enrolled today.
Quantum University na kogi Manipur ki student amadi Northeast students ki damta koi 30% count pi boina kogi sata sing khanganimba plus aduga career guidance haitare angang sing da koina karam line sakadunu khangdawa tamda adumada sana guide tawiraga angang sing karam line na chudaga ni ma masana tamda thawak tu soin opportunity pangba plus tamda subject se karamba lawani adagi ma tamda subject se amatang tamda anhum tamba yawi kudum jaba koi major subject amni minor subject kamai lawani interdisciplinary course kamai pursue to bani hai matangda akoi angang da guidance pizabani.
Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong has informed NEET 2026 candidates from the district who will appear for the examination in Imphal on June 21 that travel assistance will be arranged in view of the prevailing law and order situation. Candidates requiring assistance have been asked to contact the DC's office on or before 12 noon of June 19 for necessary arrangements. The notice urged all concerned to report within the stipulated time to enable the district administration to take appropriate measures. Homeland Security, through the Homeland Academy of Tactical Security and Fire Safety, has launched its 8th batch professional security training program in Manipur with 65 trainees. The initiative is being conducted under the flagship support of Assam Rifles IGAR South, which includes 53 male and 12 female trainees. The program focuses on providing structured skill training for unemployed youth and is designed to prepare candidates for professional security roles. It includes physical fitness, discipline, communication skills, access control, visitor management, fire safety awareness, and emergency response. The course also emphasizes teamwork, grooming, and field readiness for deployment in workplaces such as offices, schools, hospitals, hotels, and residential complexes. The organizers said the initiative aims to create employment opportunities and promote livelihood support for youth. IGAR South is associated with the program under its youth-focused engagement efforts. The organization also highlighted past placement outcomes and the role of training in improving income stability and supporting families. The National Socialist Council of Nagalim, Eastern Flank, has issued a statement reaffirming its commitment to the Naga political cause and insisting that the 2015 Framework Agreement with the Government of India remains the only acceptable basis for a final settlement. In a joint statement issued, the group stated that the Naga struggle is rooted in historical mandates and sacrifices and cannot be diluted through what it termed compromised or misinterpreted political processes. It also calls for unity among Nagas under its interpretation of the Framework Agreement. The statement further accused rival NSCN leadership factions of deviating from agreed principles and weakening the organization through internal divisions, leadership disputes and administrative actions. It alleged betrayal within the ranks, referring to incidents of internal conflict and violence involving cadres. The group rejected any political solution that would undermine Naga sovereignty or identity and stressed that reconciliation is only possible if core political issues are addressed without compromise, highlighting continuing tensions within the Naga peace process. The auspicious launch ceremony of the upcoming Manipuri feature film Toray 2 was held today at HIHH Restaurant and Resort at Irashemba. The film is produced under the banner of Ibudao Tangjung Production, with Vishwamitra Kwarakpam serving as both writer and director. The launch ceremony was attended by several dignitaries, including KVS Tinsukia Region Deputy Commissioner Taran Pritam, eminent actress R.K. Hemavati, and actor-director Loitongbam Dorendra. Speaking at the function, director Vishwamitra revealed that this romantic film marks his 56th feature film and serves as a sequel, arriving exactly 20 years from the original Toray that was released in 2006. The movie stars prominent cast including R.K. Somarendro, Elias Kaiku, Ahebam Devita, Binata, Boni, Kishan and Tete. It vividly portrays the intense hardships and trials faced by a young couple blindly pursuing their desires through intoxication of love. The director emphasized that the project is being produced regardless of commercial profit or loss, aiming solely to uplift Manipuri cinema and provide fresh platform for rising artists.
Today, 100% 2006 premiere ni. Sahi kungi matung ni 2026. Mayam tu jikti version ani la amina. Today 1, Today 2 ina nire torge hena noy dong mali. Hingba waba nungsinabri hena maru oiruktaba. Hingbagi lanthengna bohona bada nungsinabagi masak thial lakpa. Aduna lapthok na kiba kaina hang kiba da loiba. Tragic ending amani Today 1. Today 2 si sigi script designing screenplay masi aina tawjabani aduga director mo ibagi chance oimona PV bani wari really thought the film no ngai roi ba aduga khoi atem amale junior actors sing moi sing si akona films to posala no honaji mathangi generation ma promote ko
film bu nushi jaba ngai si aina sahi 18 19 de kai film se kumba khom sara pani de home film da ik kathok sara da dum pani hoji ko sori atu film ju myam ma kumjari samang na puthok sara ga film je myam haide hogolak li ba angang masa sing su aina puthok piram ge haina sigi pandam da aina.
Non-sports news. The Triathlon Association of Manipur TAM has announced opening of registration and renewal for triathletes for 2026-27 session. According to a notice issued by Secretary Lai Kuram Lenin, the registration and renewal process will be conducted from June 17 to July 5. All triathletes have been urged to complete the process within the stipulated period by contacting the association at 8575694082 or 9615202234. The association further informed that unregistered players will not be permitted to participate in championships, trial selections or any other events organized by TAM. Now the weather report. According to ICAR General Center Lamphilpot, Manipur recorded a maximum temperature of 29.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was recorded at 22.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 84% in the morning and 71% in the evening. Now, before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Three injured Kuki individuals shifted from Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal to Churachandpur amid protests by public. Manipur police burn over 39 kg of seized narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. She's a common biomedical waste treatment facility at Lamdeng in Imphal West. And Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West remands 3 accused, including women, to 15 days judicial custody in 4 crore rupees heroin seizure case after customs operation at North AOC. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.